So my name is Samuel William. Welcome to H-QTV. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about Matchchain Airdrop Snapshot that's coming up less than 5 days now, and I'm going to talk about what you need to know, like set up your Match ID. You reach level 1, the higher the better. Link your Telegram to Match ID. I think there's a problem with linking your Telegram, but I have a way that I'm going to tell you in the middle of this video. Just keep watching. I'm going to mention it when we get to that. Link wallets with real Matchchain usage, and this is how we track your point and drag. Don't link. If you want to know more, just click on the link. Tutorial to guide. YouTube can still watch the tutorial. So I'm coming back to this one. So let's go to our Telegram for Matchchain. So this is it. I'm going to open up the app. I'm going to talk about what you need to know. Last year we started mining this. This airdrop is more than a year now that we started mining it, and if you want to join, it's too late for you to join. It's too late. They are going to consider a lot of things for this airdrop. They are going to consider everything that your overall activity on this app is what they are going to use for the airdrop. So overall activities. So let me just start from number four. First thing is farming. You have to farm. So how do you farm? So this is my farm match points, and not only that, you can also earn match points through stacks. So if you do all these stacks, you are going to earn a lot of points, Matchchain points through the tags. And friend, if you invite friend, they are going to give you, as your friend keeps mining, you are going to earn some percentage as a bonus, so you can claim it. So that is how you are going to earn Matchchain. And how to be eligible for airdrop is first thing is for you to get to number 1 under the boost your bonus here. So Match ID bonus, the score reach level 1. Apart from that, the NFT is also important, guys. If you want to have a lot of token or points for this airdrop, make sure that you collect as many NFTs as you can collect. So we started collecting this NFT last year, and it's pretty good, though there are a lot of difficulties that we met on our way. Like sometimes the wallet will not be able to connect, just going to end up we unable to claim the NFTs like that. So sometimes we used to do it. We used to even connect VPN for us to be able to do this. Maybe our own internet, or it's not that strong enough to do it. Not only that, you have a lot of airdrop assets here. LOL 58 million, FOMO, MAD. You can see a lot of airdrop. And if your wallet is not connecting, you can disconnect it and connect it again, or connect to VPN before you are going to connect it again. So under mega airdrop here, you are going to see a lot of badges. Make sure that you collect as many badges as possible as you can collect it. This badges is going to be among the criteria for you to get a good airdrop, a good token for this airdrop. Just collect as many as you can collect, and that is pretty good. I just have mega drop badges. I've collected one so far, though when I started mining, all these badges, they are not even plenty as this, and it's very difficult for me to even have one. Then it was very difficult for me to get one. Under the tax here, make sure that you do all the tax. You do it. It's going to be like a bonus to your airdrop. It's going to be like a bonus to your airdrop. Under home, we have a lot of things under home. Make sure under home here, so if you don't see the maybe you want to claim the NFTs, just click on the button by my right hand side at the top, refresh it again. Once you refresh it, you are going to see something like this. So mint your NFT, just click on that for you to mint your NFT. And you want to claim 100,000 of LOL airdrop 1, so 100,000. just click on claim. It's going to, so let me just do this for you, so for you to see what I'm talking about. So it's going to connect like this, and you are going to sign signature. You can just try again. I don't know why this happened. Maybe it's because of my network. I think my network is very slow, so I'm going to come back to it later. So let's go to the important one. The important one is the boost your score. So under this place is our match ID. If you click on that, you are going to, don't know why it's not connecting, but I think I have one here. Okay, this is my airdrop right now. As you can see, you are going to see a lot of things that is going to make you to be eligible for airdrop, like the say in that post, Matchchain post. You are going to see that you reach at least level 1 in that airdrop. So you are going to need this app, Transgate. Make sure that you download it on Google Play Store. You are going to need this for you to complete all this maybe all these steps. Seek past proof of identity for you to complete this proof of identity. And not only that, we have your info. Under your info, go to social. You are going to see that you should connect to your Discord, LinkedIn, your X. So this is just all it. So let me just use this as an example. Pray you should be able to connect this time. Okay, it's not connecting. You can just go to Discord and connect. Sex IP can connect to, can bind this to your Gate app, KuCoin app, Bybit app, Biget app, can connect to that, and others can see, can just ban the email. So this is just it, and you are going to can claim your match points too. You are going to claim it. You are going to see the speed. You are going to see content here, so you can see the content. So can add new content, like for example, let's say H-QTV 1. So let me just show you something that is important. So this is how it's going to look. Your level, can see this person is in level 1. This person for info it has 14/23. For content it has 2065. So you can get the content from X, from Twitter. You can get it from X. You can just search for their username. So maybe you can get their content like that. And for if you want to get my content, it's still SAHQTV. My content is just SAHQTV. So this is how it's going to look. You are going to see your roadmap here: pre-mining, points redemption, ID mining, more rewards, and you can see the speed of this person is 12.096 per day, and that is the mining speed. You are going to see this person connected to 4 wallets, 4 social, others 1/3, and progress is 14. That is this person raw data. So I think you truly understand this. And again, if you want to collect your Telegram, or your Telegram is not connecting, click on me icon, go to settings, disconnect. Once you disconnect, login, click on login, click on the Telegram icon, so to collect your Telegram account and log in as Samuel. So can see, so let me wait, can see now. So this how you are going to log in through Telegram. It's not a problem, guys, for you to log in through Telegram, and I hope you should do all these things for you to be eligible for the airdrop and to have a high chance of having a large amount of airdrop. So guys, if you truly enjoying this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and if you have any question, leave it down in the comment section. I'm going to reply to it. So I'm going to see you in my next video.